Hello everyone, I'm Vishal Nepali presenting you the SketchUp beginner tutorial on the command to deal with moving the objects, copying it, rotating it, as well as on the topic array. Please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for latest updates. Okay, now let's head back to our interface. Let's make a 3D geometric figure. Like I'm making cube, and then let's move it from one point to another point. Let's select all the object, and then we should click keyboard shortcut M on the keyboard, and then selecting the base point and end point where we want. This will move the object. Now we can also make the copy of it by clicking by selecting the object and then clicking keyboard shortcut M, and then also clicking the keyboard shortcut Ctrl with it after clicking keyboard shortcut M, and then we can make the copy of it. One keynote to everyone: when you click or select any plane or lines like this, and then you also have to select any other planes with it, within it or with it. You cannot select simply by clicking another time on the planes or any lines you have to select. It will go only on that one line. But if you click Ctrl, then plus sign will occur near the pointer, then you can also select other lines with it, like this planes also. So keyboard shortcuts Ctrl as well as Shift always plays vital role in designing. Okay guys, as I have already taught you about moving the objects as well as copying it from the keyboard shortcut, you can also move it from the toolbar menu by clicking on this icon move here, and then you can click Ctrl key on the keyboard for copying it. You cannot select the icon on the toolbar menu for copying any objects because it is not available there. You can only click Ctrl on the keyboard shortcut to make a copy of any object. As we already have known about moving and copying the object simply, and we can also make copying of the objects while we rotate it. Let's get into it. Let's make a rectangle which is quite long. Okay, this point, and let's make it like this, and then we can rotate it like by selecting it and then clicking the keyboard shortcut Q. We can rotate it by clicking here, and then fixing the axis by clicking upward key and clicking on base point and on the end point, and then rotating it like this. We can rotate it, and we can make also multiple copies by clicking Ctrl and then fixing base point and end point, and then making copy of it. Okay, let's head into our another topic, array. As we all know, array is the systematic arrangement of any objects. Let's make a rectangle. Now we can make copies of it. One copy, two objects. Yeah. Now we can make arrays in between these two copies or as per the distance between these two objects, like x5. Now let's make this information compile. Okay, move Ctrl, then make a copy, and then we can make as per these two distance other copies in systematic manner. Let's type x3. We need 3 copies, then 3 copies will appear. x4, 4 copies will appear as per the distance. The distance are same. The distance, let's measure distance from here to here, 20 over 14. Again, distance from here to here, 20 over 14. All are same distance, same dimensions as well as same distance object. Now again let's delete these things. Now make one copy here, and then make copies in between these two objects. Let's type divide 3, then 3 copies are present, dividing into 3 lines. 1 2 3 points. Yeah, one line is divided into three different sections. 1 2 3. Like line means the distance from here to here. It is divided into 3. We can also make copies while rotating. Let's make a rectangle first and then make it a group. While we can select it by clicking only one left click of the mouse. Then let's make a line for making better rotation. Okay, let's select rotation command by clicking Q and then click first point and then base point. Let's click Ctrl for making copies, and then let's click a degree like 45 degree and then enter. A copy will appear here with 45 degree. Then we can make multiple copies is for the degree of angle we rotated, like enter value like 4 copies, x4, enter, and then 4 copies will appear like 45 degree here, then from here to here 45 degree, from here to here 45 degree, from here to here 45 degree. And then let's delete it, and then again head to another array, like making copy of it, and then click on another endpoint, and then we can make copies in between these two objects, like clicking divide and then the number of copies you want in between this. Like I want 5 copies, then 5, enter, and 5 copies will appear. 1 2 3 4 5 6 copies, then divide and enter 6, then 6 copies will appear. Divides 8 copies will appear. Divide 12 copies will appear. Divide 15 copies will appear. Divide 26 copies will appear. Yeah, this is the work of array. You can make it the work simple by using array command available in the SketchUp software to make different type of structures like spiral staircase and so on.